What we have here is a drip system, irrigation system that we're trying to get persons to use in their backyard farming. It's a very simple system you set up. It's gravitational. What I mean by gravitational is that your water will be sitting in a bucket above the field. So everything will flow from that bucket downward into the drip lines. And what we're using a main hard line, we're using spaghetti tubing, and we're using a drip line set out in the field or in your little garden plot. Here's a 5-gallon bucket set up on 2 blocks, which is elevated above the ground. It's supposed to be your field. And what we would do, we would fill it up with water, and we would use the first spaghetti tubing that is here, and we would insert it into the bucket. And the hard line is this line that runs across the field or on the back of the field. And what we do here, we use a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, or a nail, or anything that is the size of the spaghetti tubing. We would punch a hole in the hard line here, and we would insert the system, the spaghetti tubing into the main hard line. Then what we would do again, we would take one of your drip lines that runs across the field, up and down the field. And what we did is we actually used the spaghetti tubing here and inserted into your main line. Punch another hole into the drip line. And you connect that there. Now what you got here is the bucket with the solution in it. You can put your fertilizer directly into the bucket. The hole that is being punched into the bucket, either with any type of puncher that is the size of the spaghetti tubing. You can use a nail, push a hole into the bucket, or you can use a screwdriver. So you got the connection from here going into the hard line, then going into your spaghetti line. Now the water will be running through here, into here, and all along this line here. And this drip line has drip holes every 12 inches. You can see here, here, and so once the end is tied off here and up there, the water will actually come through here and into this drip line, and it will drip there. To every drip hole you will have water dripping. And that's exactly where you will plant your seedling. You plant one here, 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 here. All of these marks here has been made. All these water marks here is actually the drip line. The water will drip and then it will put a nice circle there. You will plant your seedling right along the drip line. Any questions? Was I clear as mud?